Hey, you there, welcome back to Risk View Warden. Today we're going to be talking about trading terminology. I have 6 terms that all beginners should know if they want to go and pursue a day trading career or even some type of short or long-term investing portfolio. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, traders, so these first 2 definitions are going to kind of be division of what kind of trader you actually want to be. Okay, so my first term is going to actually be day trading. What is day trading? Essentially, day trading, you either buy or sell or buy and sell a stock within intraday before the market closes. So what happens is the market opens at 9:30. You buy some time in between 9:30 and you're selling it before 4 p.m. So that's essentially a day trade. It's one day. It can be all day. It can be for 1 minute. It can be for 1 second. But if you buy and sell a stock between any of that time and it's closed out and you're flat by the end of the day, flat meaning you have no positions open, that is a day trade. Now, my next definition is basically going to be swing trading. What is a swing trader? And this is what I talked to you about, determining what kind of trader you want to be. Swing trading is basically you buy a stock today, you may hold it for 1 day minimum and sell it tomorrow, or you can hold it, for days or even a week. And it's usually going to be some type of short-term investment. Okay, so swing trading still like short-term investment. It's not a long-term investment. You could be swinging this thing for a day, couple of days, maybe even a week or two, and that is considered actually a swing trade. So when I talk about swing trading, you're not buying and selling in the same day. You're buying with the intentions of holding for an extended period of time, but still short-term. Okay, my next term is going to be long position selling or long selling or going long. Okay, and all of these things are going to be in my jargon when you hear me talk about different videos and explain different stuff of going long. Okay, going long is essentially you're buying the stock and expecting it to go higher. Simple, dry, and cut. If the stock goes lower than your price that you bought it at, that's a loss. If it goes higher, it's a win. That's all a long position is just buying it, expecting it to go higher. Okay, my next definition is going to be shorting, or calling a short sale, or going short. Okay, so when you go short on the stock, it's literally the exact opposite of a long. So what you're going to be doing is selling the stock with intentions of the stock to actually go down. Okay, so if you sell the stock goes down, and then you buy the stock back at the bottom, and you win the trade. If you short the stock and it keeps going up, you lose the trade. That's basically all shorting is. It's the exact opposite of going long. You sell a stock and then you buy it back at the bottom. Okay, so now these next 2 definitions are going to go along with the long and the short. So you may hear me often say bullish or bull, long biased or bullish on the stock. Okay, and when you hear this, all this is meaning is I'm expecting the stock to rise, or I'm expecting some type of uptrend on the stock, or I'm expecting the momentum to be to the upside of a stock. So that's bullish. You're expecting the trend to continue to go up on the stock. So this last term, but not least, one of my favorite terms, because I am short bias trader, is bear or bearish, right? And you're gonna hear me saying bearish or some type of bearish momentum or anything like that. That's just meaning that the stock, you're expecting it to continue and move to the downside. You continue momentum to the downside or a trend to the downside, and you're expecting some type of downside movement on the actual stock. So you're expecting everything to essentially fall and go down. So basically these terms were inverses of each other, but I did want to give you two sides of every coin. Beginners really don't understand what this stuff means, and it's pretty much mumbo jumbo. So that's all I have for you today. And what's going to happen from here is I'm going to just keep dropping these educational videos for you guys to actually grab some concepts. I do have a link in the description below that's going to bring you to a full page of this terminology that's absolutely free. It is pretty incredible, and it really breaks down everything. So with that being said, hit the like, comment, subscribe button for me. If you feel like I got anything wrong, or feel like you have any questions, comments, or concerns about it, let me know. And definitely hit that subscribe button for me. That's really gonna help me out. Without further ado, as always, I will see you in the next one.